Okay, our deck is finally done. All I have to do is add plants. We have our fire pit and the 4 comfortable chairs. We have the waterfall, and at nighttime it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. We have a little area I can put a plant and lights everywhere so Karen don't trip over her own 2 feet because she's good at that. And listen to that water. Ah, this is so cool. This is awesome. Look at the view behind that. And then at night, those lights will glow in multiple colors. It's really cool. And then, so this is our upstairs deck, which goes out here and has a stair thing. Has lights all the way down because Karen will trip over her own 2 feet. And that's our barbecue and our pit. And then we have a husband right there. And then of course we're still working on downstairs, but at least we got upstairs done. This is awesome.